Ready to unlock a world of effortless online payments? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on creating your very own PayPal account. First, head over to the PayPal website. You can find it easily by searching PayPal on Google or typing paypal.com directly into your browser. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button, usually located prominently on the homepage, and give it a click. Now, you'll be presented with the option to choose between a personal account and a business account. For most individuals, a personal account is the way to go. Select Personal Account and click Next. Time to enter your personal information. Start by providing a valid email address. This will be your PayPal username. Next, create a strong and secure password. Make sure it's something you'll remember, difficult for others to guess. Continue filling out the form with your name, address, and phone number. Accuracy is key here to avoid any issues later. Double-check all the information before proceeding. Now comes the important part: linking your bank account or credit debit card. This allows you to send and receive money securely through PayPal. You can choose to link a card or a bank account, or both. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your bank account or card. PayPal might make a small test transaction to confirm everything is working correctly. Once verify, you're all set. Check your email for a confirmation message from PayPal. Click the link in the email to activate your account, and that's it. You've successfully created and activated your PayPal account. Now you're ready to enjoy seamless online payments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you had any questions. Happy shopping!